Hey, it's Hannah from WTI. If you're looking for a long-lasting, great-smelling candle, then get this one from Arctic Wicks.
This is such a luxurious smelling candle with this creamy vanilla and aged bourbon scent that is handcrafted with coconut and beeswax, all from this great small business, Arctic Wicks. They are making these beautiful candles that have a nice long burn time, and they come in this gorgeous amber jar, which just is so beautiful, goes with any decor. I think this candle makes such a amazing gift for someone, and especially if you have a bourbon lover in your life, I think they are really going to love the scent of this one. And with the ingredients that they use, it really makes for a great clean burning candle, as well as the fragrance oils that they use are not harsh. So it really makes a great candle to have in your home that you know you can safely enjoy around your friends and family, and it makes a beautiful gift.
So if you're a bourbon lover, I think you're going to love this candle, and that is my point of view.